The Miura is often called the first ever supercar. Its revolutionary mid-engine design was inspired by racing cars, and it stunned the world with its speed and beauty. It was so groundbreaking that even Enzo Ferrari was said to be impressed. This was the last car personally approved by Enzo Ferrari before his death. The F40 was the fastest car in the world when it launched, with a top speed of 201 miles per hour, and it was known for its aggressive looks and bare-bones interior. The 911 has been in production for over 50 years and is still one of the most beloved sports cars ever. Its engine sits in the back, which is unusual for most cars, but it gives the 911 a unique driving feel. The Veyron was the first production car to exceed 1,000 horsepower and break the 250-mile-per-hour speed barrier. It's so fast that its special tires can only handle a top speed run for about 15 minutes. The F1 was the fastest car in the world for over a decade. With a top speed of 240 miles per hour, it had a central driver's seat, meaning the driver sat in the middle of the car like in a Formula One racer. Known as Tin Lizzie, this was the first car to be mass-produced on an assembly line. It made cars affordable for everyday people, not just the rich. This car is an icon of 1950s America, known for its tail fins and chrome details. It was the ultimate family car for that era and remains a classic at car shows today. Originally designed as an affordable people's car in Germany, the Beetle became a symbol of the 1960s hippie movement in America. Its simple design and lovable look made it one of the best-selling cars ever. This car had upward-opening doors that resembled a seagull's wings. It was also the first car with a fuel-injected engine, making it one of the fastest cars of its time. The Mini was designed to be a tiny and economical car, but it also became a racing legend. Its small size made it perfect for zipping around tight corners on rally courses. The Eldorado was a symbol of American luxury and style. Its 1959 model had giant tail fins that made it look like a spaceship. The Continental GT became a favorite for luxury car lovers because it was fast, stylish, and perfect for long drives. Its handcrafted interior takes over 100 hours to complete. The Model S redefined electric cars with its incredible performance and long range. It even has a ludicrous mode that lets it go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just over 2 seconds. Inspired by the original World War II Jeep, the Wrangler is known for its rugged design and ability to tackle any terrain. Its doors and roof can even be removed for a true outdoor experience. The Volt was a plug-in hybrid, meaning it could run on electricity but had a backup gas engine. It was a stepping stone toward full electric cars. The The XJ combined British elegance with a sporty driving experience, making it a favorite among car enthusiasts and celebrities. This legendary off-roader is famous for its reliability. It's often found in remote places where other vehicles might break down. The GT40 was built to beat Ferrari at the 24 Hours of Le Mans, and it did so 4 years in a row. It's one of the most legendary race cars ever. The Leaf was one of the first affordable electric cars for the masses. It showed the world that EVs could be practical and eco-friendly. The Defender is a favorite for adventurers and explorers. It's so tough that it's been used on expeditions in the harshest environments, from the Arctic to the Sahara. This futuristic hybrid sports car looked like it came from a science fiction movie. It combined electric power with a gas engine for exciting performance. The H1 was originally a military vehicle before being adapted for civilians. It's massive, powerful, and can drive through deep water without a problem. The Bronco was one of the first SUVs and became a symbol of freedom and adventure. Its recent revival has made it a hit with the new generation. The Navara is an all-electric hypercar from Croatia. It holds the record for being the fastest EV, reaching 258 miles per hour. The 917 was so fast and successful in racing that it helped Porsche become the dominant force in endurance racing. Known for its role in the Dukes of Hazzard, the Charger became a muscle car legend. Its powerful engines and bold design made it a favorite among car enthusiasts. The Stratos was a rally car legend, winning the World Rally Championship 3 years in a row. Often called the first true muscle car, the GTO was a beast on the road. Its nickname, the GOAT, reflects its legendary status in automotive history. Made famous by James Bond and Goldfinger, the DB5 is often called the most famous car in the world. Its sleek design and gadgets captured the imagination of millions. This microcar was nicknamed the Bubble Car for its round shape. Its unique front-opening door made it stand out from other cars. Only 36 were made, and it's now one of the most valuable cars in the world. In 2018, one sold for over $70 million. The Roadrunner was named after the famous cartoon character. It even had a horn that mimicked the character's beep beep sound. This car is best known for its suicide doors, which open backward. It was also used as the official car for U.S. presidents, including John F. Kennedy. The Mustang is an icon of American muscle cars. It created the pony car class, combining sporty performance with an affordable price. It was a hit right from the start, selling over 22,000 units on its first day. Nicknamed the Goddess, the DS was revolutionary for its futuristic design and advanced technology, including a self-leveling suspension. Built to compete with the Ford Mustang, the Camaro became an American classic. It's also famous for being the car form of Bumblebee in the Transformers movies.